Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Steam on Linux step by step clearly. Begin by opening the terminal on your Linux system. You can usually find it in your applications menu, or you can use a shortcut like Ctrl+Alt+T. First, update your package list to ensure you have the latest software information. Type in the command sudo apt update. Press enter and provide your password if prompted. Next, you will want to install the necessary dependencies for Steam. Enter the command sudo apt install steam. When the installation prompts appear, confirm by pressing Y and then enter. Once the installation completes, you can close the terminal. Now, navigate to your applications menu to find Steam. Click on the Steam icon to launch the application. On the first run, Steam will update itself automatically. Wait for the update process to finish. After the update, a login window will appear. If you already have a Steam account, enter your credentials and log in. If you're new to Steam, click on the Join Steam button to create a new account. Follow the prompts to complete the account setup. Once logged in, you can start browsing for games to download. To install a game, simply click on it and select Add to Cart. Proceed to checkout and follow the instructions to purchase or download the game. After the download completes, you can launch the game directly from your library. And there you have it, Steam is now successfully installed on your Linux system. Enjoy your gaming experience. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.